had 3 calls on the way back from, and I'm still driving back from Atlanta, Georgia for the regional rally. All 3 would like to join our team. Now, the first one reached out and wanted to jump on a call. Said, okay, we set the appointment. No call, no show. 10 o'clock. Okay. And we're going to my second one because this person said call anytime after 10 o'clock. I call, rejected. Okay. I go to my third person, wants to leave a firm and join our team. I call and we jump on a call. And we have an amazing conversation. We're very much aligned and I'm excited for it. That being said, this is a quote that goes, opportunity doesn't go away, it just goes to the next person. And today was a perfect example of that. Capture opportunity when it's in front of you. Don't wait.